we see raw materials transformed into finished products, showcasing the incredible journey of creation. The show's simple format and clear explanations make it accessible to viewers of all ages, making learning fun and engaging. Grasp the entire manufacturing timeline. How It's Made covers an astounding variety of products. One episode might feature something common. Think of pencils or chewing gum. Another episode might showcase something unusual. Examples include artificial diamonds or prosthetic limbs. No matter the product, the show maintains its engaging approach. Viewers are treated to a behind-the-scenes look at industries. These range from food production to aerospace engineering. The show highlights the precision and craftsmanship involved in every product. It showcases the dedication of the people who make them. Section 4. Education disguised as entertainment. How It's Made is both entertaining and educational. It seamlessly blends fun with learning, making it a unique show. The show's appeal lies in its ability to make learning fun. Viewers are drawn in by the engaging content and stay for the knowledge they gain. It sparks curiosity by providing answers to questions, often questions we didn't even know we had. These answers lead to those aha moments, making viewers think deeply about everyday objects. It fosters an appreciation for the complexity of the manufactured world, showing the intricate processes behind common items. The show's visual nature makes it particularly engaging for young viewers, capturing their attention effortlessly. However, adults also find themselves drawn to its informative content, appreciating the depth of information presented. How It's Made is a testament to the power of visual storytelling, proving that complex ideas can be communicated simply. It proves that learning can be an enjoyable experience, blending education with entertainment seamlessly. Section 5. The enduring allure of How It's Made. How It's Made has captivated audiences for years, drawing viewers into the mesmerizing world of manufacturing. Its enduring appeal lies in its simplicity and its ability to satisfy our innate curiosity. The show breaks down complex processes into easily digestible segments. The show provides a glimpse into a world often hidden from view, revealing the intricate details of production lines and factory floors. It reveals the magic behind everyday objects, showing how raw materials are transformed into the items we use daily. How It's Made is a celebration of human ingenuity, highlighting the creativity and innovation that go into every product. It's a reminder that even the most ordinary things are the result of extraordinary processes, each with its own unique story. So, next time you use a pencil, eat a candy bar, or ride a bicycle, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship behind it. Remember the fascinating journey of its creation as seen on How It's Made, and let it inspire a deeper appreciation for the world around you.